What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve the final equation. So right now, we have 4 equations. We're meant to figure out the value of each of these shapes and then solve this equation right here. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So first of all, we have 3 triangles, 3 of the same number multiplying to equal 216. So what we're really trying to figure out here is, what is the cube root of 216? What number times itself 3 times is 216? Guess what? That number is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, times 6 again is 216. So now we know all of the reds are going to have a value of 6. Then we come to the blue. So notice the parentheses. That's going to dictate order of operation. So we're going to add 6 plus 6 first. That's 12. What divided by 12 is 2? That would be 24. So we got 24 here. All of the blues are now 24. All right, coming down here. What plus 24 divided by 6 is 14? But we have to remember, order of operation says division happens first, right? So we have to say 24 divided by 6 first, which is 4, okay? And then what plus 4 is 14? That would be 10. So now the green is 10. Now we move on to this last bit here. We got 24 plus 6 times 10. Again, another little mistake you might make is say, oh, what's 24 plus 6? It's 30 times 10 is 300. But we have to carry out order of operations again, and that dictates that multiplication happens first. 6 times 10 is 60. Then we add the 24 to get 84 for the win. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.